In this box are some brand new samples that I can't wait to test with you guys. So supposedly what they sent were 6 brand new hyper shifts that are ultra fine particle size. We're talking the smallest particle size that we've ever seen. And you may ask yourself, what's so special about an ultra fine particle size hypershift? Well, these are supposed to have the smoothest color transitions out of any colors, any hypershifts that we've ever seen. There's 6 of them, totally different colors. Gabe and I were looking at these and we're super pumped, right?
Oh yeah.
Okay, so I'll show you what I'm looking at here and see if you can pick up on it. So, if you've seen hypershift powders before, you know that when you look at the powder form, you can usually pick up on the individual particles and see that sparkle. But if you notice on these, it looks like one almost flat disc of color. You can't pick out the particles, you can't see any sparkle. So again, because of the ultra fine size, they're supposed to be the smoothest transitions of all time. So a couple of these look to be different than the hypershifts that we have. So we may not only see ultra small particle size, we may have some new colors here altogether. So Gabe and I've got some work to do. You ready to go?
I'm ready.
Let's go. All right, guys, we're all done with the experiment, and these samples look incredible. I can't wait for you to see them. Take a good look at them. Leave a comment below. Let me know which one catches your eye, which one's your favorite, and if you were going to spray your own car, which one would you want on your car? And if you want to change the color of your own car, play with any of our paints. Remember, we have everything in peelable and permanent. Head straight to DipYourCar.com. Gabe and I had a blast on this video. I really hope you enjoyed watching it. I'll see you on the next one.